Bakit madalas namamatay ng maaga yung mabubuting tao? The Bible has answer. Good people pass away. The godly often die before their time, but no one seems to care or wonder why. No one seems to understand that God is protecting them from the evil to come. Malawak at powerful ang verse na to. Pero sabi dyan, madalas daw kapag namamatay yung mga maka-Diyos, yung may Jesus sa buhay, yung righteous na tao ng maaga or unexpected, it is an act of mercy. God is protecting them from evil that is yet to come. It's not punishment, it's not unfair, it's a divine protection. Minsan hindi talaga natin naiintindihan, di ba? Lalo na kung biglaan at hindi maganda yung pagkawala, tapos kamag-anak mo pa. Talagang parang naging tragedy yung pagkawala. Tapos Kristiyano naman, talagang Jesus follower naman. Alam nyo, sabi dyan sa verse na yan, minsan yung tragedy na nakikita natin dito sa earth is actually a rescue mission from heaven. Most of the time, we see loss, but God sees a soul being shielded. Madalas ang nakikita natin, untimely death or yung biglaang pagkawala. Pero sa mata po ng Diyos, it's early homecoming before a storm. Kaya kung naranasan nyo na po mawalan ng mahal sa buhay ng biglaan, tapos godly naman sila, maka-Diyos sila, Kristiyano naman sila, always remember that God never abandoned them. It's highly possible that God is honoring them with an escape from a future na hindi nila deserve. Kasi if you look around, sobrang gulo na, palala na ng palala. Parang everything in the world is falling apart. Pero ang totoo niyan, it's just falling into place. Yung mga kaguluhan na nangyayari ngayon, yung chaos, it's a birth pain of the end times. So naglista po ako ng 3 trust na kailangan nating tandaan mula sa verse na to. So una, trust God that His timing is not random. Second, trust that every life, even if short, is complete by God's design. And third po, trust that what we perceive as loss, it may actually be love in disguise. Not every early death is a tragedy. Sometimes, it's a divine mercy. God's protection is not always what we expect. Sometimes, He protects by preventing. So kapatid, mamuhay po tayo ng matuwid, live righteously, and trust God's plan. Whether you live long or short, your story is held in perfect hands. Amen?